In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front wheel bearing on a 2014 Chevy Captiva Sport 2.4 liter. First thing you're going to want to do is raise the vehicle up, take the wheel off. This is a 19 millimeter. Then you're going to be removing the brake caliper. These two bolts are an 18 millimeter. Then you're going to unplug your ABS wire, and you can hang your brake caliper up out of the way. Then you can remove your brake rotor. In order to do this, you will need to remove this Torex T30 retainer screw. Then after removing the rotor, remove your center nut on your CV axle. This is a 36 millimeter. Then there are 3 hub bolts on the back side. These are 15 millimeter. To remove these, you might need to turn the wheel one way or the other or use an extension. Then push on your CV axle, make sure it moves. Then here comes the fun, to remove the wheel bearing. Start with a wheel bearing puller and hit it a couple times, see if it comes off. If it doesn't, spray a little PB blaster. Then if you have a second person, hit it with a hammer at the same time you're using the puller. If that still doesn't work, you can resort to using an air chisel. Just be careful not to damage the steering knuckle. Some come off easier than others, some are really hard, but eventually it will come off. The reason why sometimes it comes off so hard is because your steering knuckle is aluminum and your wheel bearing is steel, and aluminum and steel together corrode. Now that you got it off, compare it to the new one, make sure it's the right one. Pinch together this little clip here and take off your ABS wire off the brake shield. Then this brake shield, you don't have to put it back on, but it's recommended that you do. Sometimes they get so rusted that you can't put it back on. If it was damaged at all when you were trying to remove it, just try to fix it the best you can. And then the surface on the steering knuckle where the wheel bearing mates up to it, clean it up with a wire brush. If there was any damage done, try to fix it the best you can using a small die grinder. And then you're ready to install your new wheel bearing. Put a little bit of never seize on the splines of the CV axle. Then don't forget to reinstall your brake shield. Then align all 3 of your bolts for your wheel bearing and get them started. These are torqued to 96 foot-pounds. Then reinstall your brake rotor, then your brake rotor retainer screw. Then reinstall your brake caliper. These bolts are torqued to 89 foot-pounds. Then hook up your ABS wire. Then torque your spindle nut to 151 foot-pounds. Then install your wheel. Tighten up your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.